I'm confused. I still don't have any idea in what DLE specialization I should take.
Hi, John. Worry no more. Let me introduce you to a track that provides and prepares you with necessary skills and entry-level knowledge for employment in electrical industry.
EIM consists of competencies that a person must achieve to enable him or her to install and maintain electrical wiring, lighting, and related equipment and systems.
Participate in workplace communication. Work in a team environment. Practice career professionalism. And practice occupational health and safety procedures. Observe procedures, specifications, and manuals of instruction. Interpret technical drawings and plans. Perform mensurations and calculations. And maintain tools and equipment. There are several work opportunities that EIM has to offer, such as building wiring electrician, residential or commercial wiring electrician, maintenance electrician, and many more. Davao City National High School offers electrical installation and maintenance for several years now, with 3 excellent teachers: Mr. Juanito S. Morales, Mr. Wilson B. Gomban, and Ma'am Cherilyn B. Consolacion.
Wow! Thank you for giving me those informations, ma'am. I will prepare myself and be ready for EIM.